Like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel. It's been a long time I didn't take a vlog, like I didn't come out of the house to take a vlog. Previously all my vlogs were on the top 10 scooters, top 10 bikes and top 10 cars. So today is really special. We have my Labrador. My dad is giving a bath to her actually. So you can see her right there now. She is a 7.5 years old Labrador, female Labrador actually. We didn't breed her till now, so she looks very fit. So she has been trained. She has been trained by a cop actually around 3 years back, maybe 3-4 years back. So the cop used to come daily to our home. So he was a member of the canine department of Karnataka, so he knew how to train the dog. So she knows a quite bit of rules and she loves water very much. So I didn't show you the cages actually. So we have 3 cages here. Right now we are only using the 2. So apart from this dog I have 2 other dogs. Probably about that I'll do in the future. So I'll just show you what she can do. Her name is Ruby. Ruby, Haddi. So this is what she does, a shake hand. That is the only thing she remembers. She knew how to give salute and other stuff, but recently she has forgotten many of the stuff actually. Earlier there were lots of ticks in her body, so recently we came out of that problem actually after using shampoos with this. So Lozalo, so we get this from our nearby shop actually, that is Pet Choice. You may be knowing about Pet Choice. So this is an anti-tick shampoo. She used to have lots and lots of ticks in her body. Earlier we used to use soaps. Nowadays we are using shampoos. We got rid of the soaps. So the problem with the soaps is it's difficult to remove the ticks in case of the soaps. So you can see she loves drinking water from that. You might be thinking why we are giving her tap water, but she prefers tap water more than AquaGuard water and other stuff. So she's thin because during the summer she becomes thin. That's the problem usually. So we have to get her bath. So giving her bath, I'll just take that shoot in a hyperlapse actually, like give her a quick bath. So now she's just sitting quiet there. So I'll come up with a hyperlapse. That was the hyperlapse of the bathing. Now we are gonna just pour water on her. So you can see she likes getting dirty all the time. So I will start pouring water soon. See, this is what she does. If you clean her, she uncleans herself. So that is the problem. Anyways, the dirt will go out because we already washed her properly and thoroughly. She has got a sort of infection behind her ear due to constant irritation, not due to ticks but due to the heat. Usually dogs surviving in this climate is great because the heat is very strong. Even we feel to melt down usually. So you can see that on her knee she has a small blackish spot. So that is not an injury. It happened on its own. And this is the first cage over here. This is her cage, actually her kennel. So you can see what she has done inside. She has removed all the patches. She's a very obedient dog. She doesn't shit or piss in the kennel. The remaining dogs I'll show you in some other vlog. So the bathing part will get over right now. So if you guys are wondering which are my other dogs, so we have a Pomerian and then we have a pug. So the pug is usually in the inside itself. It doesn't come out in the cage. If in case we have somewhere to go, or in case we are like off for a day or something, then she goes to this cage actually right over here. Then the pug is only 6 months old. Then we have a Pomerian. He is around 9.5 years old. He's the oldest dog that we have. And then we have Ruby, that is our Labrador. So she is 7.5 years old. I already told you about her. So I showed you how she is trained. She gives shake hands. Then we trained her to bring newspaper and all that stuff, but it was long back. Now she doesn't do any of those stuff, because in between or in middle we had 2 more other dogs along with these 2. So those dogs were not breeded ones or hybrid ones. Those were crossbreed ones. They were crossed to street dogs. So we had to give them away because those dogs started developing an infection. We actually had 4 dogs. Apart from this Labrador, we have another Labrador whose name is Friday. She's a black color Labrador. Some other day I will show you Friday also. Right now Ruby is bigger than Friday and smarter also. Friday is not trained, whereas Ruby is a trained dog. She's very smart. Her IQs are very good. So probably I'm gonna end this video right here. I showed you how we give bath to our dog here, because here the heat is scorching. It's around 38 degrees here in the morning, and right now it's in evening around 5:36. So it's very very hot, very difficult to manage. So we are just gonna wash. So she has to do that in order for us to wipe the wet. And main thing in Labradors are you have to dry them properly, because the wet, moisture or anything like that could cause skin infection, especially to Labradors. Even I would like to recommend that if you have a Labrador, you try keeping it inside. Labradors are very friendly. My Labrador is a bit aggressive because our Pomerian is an aggressive dog. So you can see how she looks after giving a bath. She's very cute dog. So she's my favorite dog, and in 2012 we brought her home. She was very cute. She was 1.5 months old, and you should have seen her parents. I meant the male and female which bred and gave her out as an offspring. They were like epic super dogs. So Ruby is one of the best dogs we have. So I would like to end my vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ruby, say bye.